fuck he's doing. What are you doing?
Don't fucking do that ever again, you dumb fuck. You're a fucking piece of shit.
Dude, what the hell?
What happened?
He just threw trash in my fucking truck.
Oh, what'd you? What happened?
He just cut me off.
Oh God, get out of my face. Video protected. I have a dash cam, and if you want to be a psychopath, I'll let your plate number 2. I didn't touch you, you crazy bitch. Go ahead. Go ahead, I've got you recorded. Good for you, bitch. I'll run you over. Get the fuck out of the way.
You motherfucker! What are you doing?
Actually, I haven't found her name. Seems kind of relevant. 7-8 show. He's such a shitty cheat.
Got in the dash cam. He just typed to Zach saying, hey, they're in about 5 or 10. Oh, cops gonna get that person.
Who?
Right here, this guy right here.
What do you do?
He like cut off.
You what?
Ah, sucks to suck.
You what?
He went around the person to make a right turn.
Damn.
He does have a stand double for some season. I'm a woman.
Let's go.
I would never have a stand double. I would have a stand triple. I'm serious. And I would only use a stand double for a crime scene. Because the last time I cried on the scene, 2010
Fucking stupid ass.
That's him! That's him! That's him! That ain't me! He stopped in front of me! Fuck wrong with you? That's him! He stopped in front of me! Fuck that! He didn't want to go nowhere! He slid in front of me! That's him! No, I'm not gonna sit at no red light! Fuck that! Stay safe and healthy. Amen. On the next DLU show, we're taking a little
Fucking asshole.
4th of July holiday while we are gone. You will hear some of the funniest moments on the DLU show. I'm not gonna say happy 4th of July, everyone, but enjoy the time with the family, eat barbecue.
Fucking stupid ass.
He does have a stunt double for some season. I'm a woman.
Let's go.
I would never have a stunt double. I would have a stunt triple.
I'm
doing? What are you racing for, bro? What are you speeding for? You gotta slow down. You gotta slow down, man. Just relax. Can you go? No, I'm saying you can go in front of me. I'm saying you can. I say you can go in front of me.
Now you could have slowed down, just like I told you. I slapped shit out your ass.
Who's that? Boss lady?
Are you? What's up? What's your problem? What are you talking about? What are you talking about?
Why don't you slow down, asshole?
I'm driving straight and you cut me off.
Down the street.
I was doing 45, you dumb. And you pull out and cut me off?
45?
Yes.
You're
and
a clown, dude.
And you're on dash cam too, bro.
You're a freaking-
I'm posting this on YouTube later. Go look it up.
You're an idiot.
Look it up, bro. And you.
Yeah, even if you get water, it's still $35, $38, $40.
Right. Yeah.
They're fighting.
They are fighting.
Just trying to get out. Oh my God. Oh my God. Even if you get water, it's still $35, $38, $40.
Right. Yeah.
They're fighting.
They are fighting.
Just trying to get out. Oh my God. Oh my God.
911, where's your emergency?
Race in Caraway, Arkansas. Adam, Young, Ida, 97 boy. It's a white Dodge Charger. There's a domestic at this intersection, and they are having it out. I think the Jonesboro PD unit actually just rolled up on it.
God.
Yeah, he just turned his blue lights on, so actually he's out with it. That's a domestic.
He's out.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
truck doing?
Wait. Did you not see?
I'm just trying to get home. What the fuck are you doing? Lock the door. Lock. I can't go around, buddy. I can't go around you.
I'll break your fucking lights out. You know, I'll break them out. I'll bust your mirror off.
Hey, buddy, guess what? You're on camera.
I don't care. Go around me.
Dude,
Tailgate me.
I'm not... Dude.
Four Corley, 10 miles an hour.
Dude. RRAE 75.
Really? How? How did you even do that? Come on. You don't know how I was in between the two cars, so you hit me? Really?
I didn't hit you.
Yes, you just rear-ended me.
Okay, so what are we gonna do? Traffic is moving.
Hold on. HVA 9YB. Pull over to the side. Actually, hold on. You didn't even do any damage, just... Get off the road.
Then set it on the nightstand and began fluffing the pillows a bit and checking the sheets and covers. The other nurse going around to the other side of the bed. I will be. When they find Laura, Jason said. You love her a lot, huh? Holly said. She's my whole world. Jason managed to say. And then leaned back into the pillow as tiredness overcame him.
Uh-oh. It's not worth it. Oh, God. Nice. Let's hear it. The woman's coming out of her car now. This motherfucking bird. You kidding me? Oh my god, it's gonna get hit. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. No, no, no. Hey. 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 At least he's using the crosswalk. Shit. Okay. Oh, thank goodness.
On my desk.